Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method. Then in the next video we shall learn how to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. Okay, our question says solve the simultaneous equation 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. First, for elimination method, we try to make sure that the constant term is on the right and the variables on the left. So let's first do that by taking the 7 that side and the 2 that side. So that will be 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and x plus 4y is equal to negative 2. Now we're going to use elimination method. Now for elimination method, you first identify the letter you want to eliminate. And in this case, we can eliminate x. So when we decide to eliminate x, the next part will be making sure that the letter you're going to eliminate has the same coefficient. Coefficient is the term attached to that letter. So in this case, the coefficient of x is 2, and here the coefficient of x is 1. So we make sure that that coefficient is the same. In case you have equations which have the same coefficients, then you just skip this next step. But in this case, they are not the same. We have 1 and 2. So we switch these. This multiplies up there and this multiplies down here, which will give us, this one remains the same, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. And then this will be 2x plus 8y is equal to negative 4. I'm multiplying this 2 throughout. I multiplied it with 1x, I multiplied it with 4x, and I multiplied it with negative 2. And I got this. Now you can see that we have the same coefficient for x. We have 2 as the coefficient of x. Now the next part is eliminating that x. Now when you're eliminating, you ask yourself, what operation should I use to get rid of x, of the 2x? Should I add or subtract? It is always either addition or subtraction for this elimination method and its simultaneous equations. So if you add, you get a 4x. So you've not eliminated x. The only remaining option is subtracting. So you have to subtract. The other way you could do it, just remembering that same signs you subtract and different signs you add. So in case you have the same signs on the term you're eliminating, you should subtract. And if you have different terms, you should add. For example, here the signs are positive and positive. That's why we are subtracting using this same sign subtract and different signs add. So we are subtracting, and when you subtract 2x minus 2x, it gives you 0. Then we subtract negative 3y minus 8y. That will give us negative 11y is equal to 7 minus negative 4. It gives us 11. And then to find the value of y, you have to divide by negative 11 on both sides. So y is equal to negative 1. Now after getting the value of y, you can use any of the equations given to you to find the value of x. So let's use the second equation. It's easier since x is x plus a, it is 4y is equal to negative 2. So our y is negative 1. Substitute it into this, and we shall be having x plus 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. So x minus 4 is equal to negative 2. Take the 4 that side. Is negative, it becomes positive. So we shall be having x equals negative 2 plus 4, which gives us 2. So that is the value of x. Therefore, our answers are x equals to 2 and y equals to negative 1. That is how you use elimination method to find the value of x and y in simultaneous equations. In the next video, as I promised, I'm going to be showing you how to use substitution method to solve this question. Thank you.